Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add watermark in Word. So I will show you all types of watermarks that you can add in your Word document here. So let's suppose that we have something written in here like this one or this one here. So this is our document here and we actually wanted to add the watermark here. So what you're gonna have to do, you have to go into this design tab, and on the right side you will see this option where it says watermark. So if you just tap on this arrow here, you can see that we have all type of different watermark templates here, and we can actually get more watermarks from office.com, and we can basically add our own custom watermark here. So I will just add this confidential watermark here. So let's add this one, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the confidential watermark has been added here. Okay, so now if you wanted to add a custom watermark here, so first we will remove this watermark here, and then what we will do here, we will tap on custom watermark here. Now it will actually open up this picture here. So there are two type of custom watermarks that we can add. The first one is a picture watermark, so we will just tap on this one and then we will select our picture. Okay, so we will tap on work offline here and we will choose the image from our desktop here. So I will choose the logo here. So let's suppose if I wanted to choose the logo of like I will choose a big logo here. So let's wait. Okay, so let's add this Facebook logo here. Tap on insert here and tap on basically scale. You can, if you want, you can scale it automatically, and tap on this one. And if we just go into the watermark here, custom watermark, scale to like 50% on this one here, and there should be a watermark here. You can see custom watermark, and don't tap on this one, auto. So now you can see that we have a custom watermark here. Okay, so now if you wanted to add a text watermark here, you will just tap on this custom watermark, go to the text watermark, enter your text here whatever you want, and for the color you can select black and just tap on this one, and here is your watermark. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.